In this video, we are going to fix an error code 0xc80003f3 when trying to run the Windows update in your PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at the start, navigate here, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option called System, click on it. And after this system, you need to navigate here and then proceed to the troubleshoot. Next is to go with other troubleshooters. And there you can see most frequent. Please go with Windows Update and click on Run corresponding to it. So you need to run the Windows Update because this will help you to diagnose the problem, which is a Windows Update error. And wait until it will be completed. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have done this one, once you have done this one, you need to start to Windows Update again. Restart the Windows Update and check if it's working. Okay. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. We would really appreciate your support. The second solution that you can do, by the way, is that you need to copy first the command that I have given at the YouTube description. I will be including this one there. Once you have copied, paste it to your notepad and then navigate at the button search bar and type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. Okay. And once you have seen that, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. Now click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, just click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So the catch is you need to paste these commands one by one and not as a whole. So by that you need to proceed on the stopping first for the Windows Update service, for the cryptographic service as well as the backshell intelligent transfer service. So you need to copy this one by one. And once you have stopped this one, you need to proceed to the next command, which is this one, and then proceed to the second, and then proceed on the starting for the Windows Update Service, the cryptographic, the backup intelligence, as well as the MSI server. Okay. Once you are done with all of these commands, you need to restart your computer. There is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes and in order for the actions to have an effect. Once you are done, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.